So in this video we will study a little bit more, few more examples on electrolysis and electroplating. So electrolytic cells are those cells in which a non-spontaneous reaction driven by external current, and charge is equal to collection of electrons measured in coulomb. 1 mole of electron is equal to 96,485 coulomb, which is Faraday constant. Current flows in charge over time measured in ampere, and 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per second. So we can use these definition to convert the current into moles of electron to determine the amount of product form. Charge is equal to current over time, current multiplied by time, Q is equal to IT, or we can say 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per second, or 1 coulomb is equal to 1 ampere multiplied by second. So usually we write times in seconds. So whenever we solve any question, we have to convert all the time into seconds. So in here is one example. In a process called the flash electroplating, a current of 2.5 times 10 to the power 3 ampere passed through an electrolytic cell for 5 minutes. How many moles of electrons are driven through the cells? So here you can see current is given, which is 2.5 times 10 to the power 3 ampere, and time is given in 5 minutes, and number of electrons, moles of electron are we have to find out. So charge is equal to Q, and Q is equal to IT. So with this formula we are going to use here. I is given, current is given 2.5 times 10 to the power 3 ampere multiplied by time, which is we have to convert into seconds because it is given in 5 minutes. So 5 minutes multiplied by 60 seconds, then we will convert time into seconds. So minute cancel, then coulomb charge will come 7.5 times 10 to the power 5 ampere second or coulomb. Now this much, so if we are passing 2.5 times 10 to the power 3 ampere of current for 5 minutes, basically we are flowing this much charge, 7.5 times 10 to the power 5 coulomb. And as per Faraday constant, 1 coulomb of electron is equal to 96,485 seconds coulomb. So we will divide our total charge by Faraday constant to find out how many moles of electrons are there. So we have number of moles of electron will be equal to charge divided by Faraday constant. So 7.5 times 10 to the power 5 coulomb multiplied by 1 mole of electron divided by Faraday constant, 96,485 coulomb. So here coulomb will be cancelled out, and we will get the answer into mole of electron. So this was the one example in which we figured it out how we can calculate the number of moles of electrons. And then we have another question which is little different. So let's solve this question. Suppose that a batch of parts is placed with copper in an electrolytic bath running at 0.15 volt and 15 ampere for exactly 2 hours. What is the energy cost for this process if the electric utility charges the company $0.05 per kilowatt? So here we have to calculate the cost. So first we have to write down what are the information is given. This is voltage is 0.15 volt, I is current 15.0 ampere, time is 2 hour, energy we have to find out. So and the rate is given. So first is Q is equal to IT, and energy is calculated by QV. Q is charge multiplied by volt, and 1 kilowatt is this much joule. Cost we have to find out. So first what we do not know, we have to find out how much charge we are generating or passing by or using, basically how much charge we are using by utilizing 15 ampere of current for 2 hours, which we have to convert into seconds. So 1.0, so 15 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 72,000 and that will give us charge 1.08 times 10⁵ coulomb. And energy, so now we know the total number of charges, then we will multiply by volt. So charge multiplied by volt, which is equal to energy, so 1.08 times 10⁵ multiplied by 0.15 volt. So charge multiplied by volt is equal to joule, and then we have to use this our rate to find out how much cost it will cost. So 1.6 times 10⁴ joule multiplied by 1 kilowatt is equal to, basically we are converting joule into kilowatt, 3, so we have to divide by 3.6 times 10⁶ joule. So joule will be cancelled, and then we converted energy into kilowatt, and then we have to multiply it by the rate, which is $0.05 rate for per kilowatt, and then cost will be this much. So this is the way we can calculate the cost of the electric bill or utilities. So let's say see one more example, and then we can wrap up here. So this says that an electrolytic cell that deposit gold operator for 15 minutes of a current 2.3 times 10 2.3 ampere, what mass of the gold is deposit. So this is the question which we have already done in previous video. So once again, time is given in minute, which we have to convert into seconds. I is ampere, mass of the gold we have to find out. So first we have to calculate how much charge we used. So IET, so 2.3 coulomb second, and then 15 minute multiplied by 60 seconds. So we got the answer Q into coulomb. And once we will know the coulomb of charges, we find out moles of electron by dividing Faraday constant. So 2.07 times 10⁻³ coulomb multiplied by 1 mole of electron divided by 96,485 coulomb. So coulomb will be cancelled out, and then 2.15 times 10⁻⁻² mole of electron we find out, and then we will see based on the stoichiometry that 1 mole of electron is required to deposit or to reduce the 1 mole of gold ion into 1 mole of solid gold. So in the ratio is 1 to 1, and then we have to multiply by the molar mass of the gold, which is 197 gram per mole. So mole will be cancelled out, and then once we will multiply, we will find out how much gold will deposit by applying this much current through 2.3 ampere for 15 minutes. So these were the some examples related to the electroplating and electrolysis. You can solve some more examples to learn.